First thing we're going to do is log into Eduphoria. We're going to select the application Formspace. On the left-hand side, you'll select Manage. At the bottom left, you'll click on Create a new Formspace document. Now you will select Web Survey. You'll put in the name for your survey. Click on Next, bottom right-hand corner. Click on Create and Begin Editing, bottom right-hand corner. You'll notice the first tab is your General tab. This allows you to change the title and to also enter a brief description. Questions allows me to add questions for the survey. You have different types of questions. I'll click on Add Question. I'll select an option from the drop-down. I'll go with List Question. I'll put in the text for the question. I'll enter in my choices. And I'll hit Finished. If I wanted to add in another question, I can click on the plus. I'll go with a matrix, a question matrix. You'll notice it gives the columns and then the rows. So we can put in agree, neutral, disagree. Here would be your choices. I'm just putting in whatever text just to give you an example. I'll click on Finished. And you'll notice I didn't add in that extra piece there. I needed to click on that plus. Right now I just have apples, agree, neutral, or disagree. I'm going to go back in. I'll click on the plus this time. Now I'll click on Finished, and you'll notice the two options are there. Now I'm going to go to Settings. Before I go there, I'll notice Move Questions and Pages, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. And I can go ahead and put this particular question and push it down and click on Save, and you'll see the adjustment. I'll go to Settings. I can import test questions. I can look at the survey settings, erase all document responses, require a CAPTCHA. What is a CAPTCHA? I have no idea what a CAPTCHA is. Look up in dictionary, CAPTCHA. It keeps basically robot type programs out there from, it just determines that you're a real person. That's all. You can set a URL for the end of the survey. I'm going to set it. Save the points are created each time the document is published, enable you to restore previously published versions of the document. Okay, basically a restore point is what you're doing. Adding additional management and reporting users. If you're sharing this one with someone else within the district, you could do that. Notification, this is how you're going to deploy the survey. Again, this is a web survey. It is not actually being sent out to staff. You just copy this URL and send it out. So I'm going to go ahead and publish it. Say OK. I can preview it now. Here's the survey. I'll click on Begin Survey. I'll take the survey, submit it. Responses have been saved. I'll say OK. Then we should be good. So Oh, we're in preview mode. So let me go ahead and copy this mode, or better yet, I'm going to go to this. Here's the actual survey. I'll go ahead and select agree. 11:30. Submit the survey. Thank you, and it should take me to esc12.net. And I am done with the survey. In order to get reports, again, you go back into Formspace, select reports on the left-hand side, survey analysis. I'll go ahead and sure enough, there it is. And I can go ahead and run a report on this. I'll look at summary response, include all individual, and run this. And I'm going to click on print the summary report. It's going to come down into PDF format. I'll open that up. And then it tells me for those items that I picked. And there's my summary. Very good. And that's the end of this.